Or hey hey what's up YouTube? Okay, so something that I have to tell you before starting this. Are you jealous? So today's recipe is zucchini noodles, aka zoodles. Shall we try it? What's up YouTube? So today I made zucchini noodles, aka zoodles. It's the combination of zucchini and noodles. Zoodles smells so good. It's so good because mostly because the pesto is with garlic, lemon, avocado, and these two ingredients, lemon and garlic, gives all the flavor. So it's so good. Have a look. Have a look at this. Oh my gosh, are you jealous? I mean, come on. If I were you, I would be very jealous. Ooh. So, ta-da! Gone. Zucchini is my favorite vegetable, so I was like, what? Who? How in the world you can make? How can you make pasta out of it? So see, I need to be honest again. This is my second. I'm going on my second. Oh my gosh, I just can't even explain how good this is. Am I in heaven already? In order to do these zucchini noodles manually, you have to have a good peeler, okay? That's the key. Sharp, the best of the best. So and I found this one. You might want to check it out if you want one of the sharpest peelers. I am gonna put the link in the description box. So if you like this video, like, subscribe. I'm gonna continue uploading. Whoever, oh my gosh, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, let's send it up here. Or let's just eat a little bit. Shall we? Shall we try this?